Hey folks, this is Ashwin and I hope you are doing well. Today we are checking out Hotel Merida located in the heart of Baku, Azerbaijan. I'm glad to show you around and I hope you have fun. Cheers. First up, we have got our cozy hotel room. Look at this. It's got that modern yet comfy vibe. Wow, the king size bed. Oh, it's calling my name after a day of exploring Baku. We have got all the essentials here, a spacious wardrobe, a work desk. It's like a home away from home for sure. And this is the bathroom. It's got all you need, the shower, fluffy towels, and they even hook you up with some fancy toiletries. We are all set. Now let's move to the breakfast area. This place is not just for food, but the vibe here is on point, mixing modern and traditional styles. As for breakfast, they have got a smorgasbord of options. Whether you want a hearty meal or something lighter, you are covered. And the staff, they are all smiles, ready to serve you up a tasty breakfast. What's better than starting your day with a good meal and a great view, right? So there you have it folks, a sneak peek into this hotel. If you're planning a trip to Baku, this place is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more travel and vlog content. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.